This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream. To begin, you will need just a few simple ingredients and some basic equipment. Start with 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are well chilled. This is a crucial step for achieving the best texture. A stand mixer or a hand mixer will make the process much easier. Once your ingredients and equipment are ready, pour the cold, heavy cream into your chilled mixing bowl. Start whipping the cream on a medium-low speed. This initial slow speed helps to gently incorporate air without splattering. After about 30 seconds, as the cream begins to slightly thicken, gradually increase your mixer speed to medium-high. This will help the cream whip up more efficiently and evenly. As you continue whipping, watch for the cream to transform. First, you will see soft peaks, where the cream holds its shape but the tip gently curls over. If you prefer a firmer texture, continue whipping until stiff peaks form. This is when the cream stands straight up when you lift the whisk. It is important to be very careful not to overwhip, as just a few extra seconds can turn your beautiful whipped cream into butter. Once your whipped cream reaches the desired consistency, it is time to add flavor. Gently fold in your 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For exciting variations, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, or even a dash of your favorite liqueur. Store any leftover whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.